In this video, I will show that, how to make signature logo for your photos. Let's see. First, do your signature on a blank paper. Then, click a picture of your signature. Import this picture to PicsArt. First, crop it accordingly. Now, go to Adjust tab and follow the steps shown in the video. Now, our dark signature is ready, but we also need a light signature. For that, just go to the Color tab, in FX tab, and select negative. Hit OK. Now, do some adjustments according to the video. It's ready now. Now, we will see that, how can we apply it to our photo? Just go to Add Photo and import your logo. Fix it at your desired location, go to Blend option. Then, select Multiply. Now, do some adjustments according to this video. Picture is ready now. Let's see how to add light logo to a dark picture. Just go to Add Photo and import your logo. Now, go to Blend option and select Screen Mode. Fix it at your desired location. Now, do some adjustments according to this video. Now, the photo is ready. Here are the results. Do subscribe our channel for more informative videos.